now we're gonna test the screen. So the central part of the screen doesn't work. So here, okay, this part, the upper part doesn't work. So we're gonna replace a touch panel for iPhone 13. So the first step, we're gonna be using a laser machine. So you can use hot, the separator, the hot plates, because we have the laser machine, so it's easier for us to use a laser machine to burn the frame first. So in this process, you can soften the frame, I mean the adhesive of the frame. So in the future, when you separate the frame, it's gonna be easier. Okay, now let's go to the next step. So now we're gonna be separating the glass. So first of all, we're gonna use UV glue. Then apply a film on it. So in this process, the UV glue can gather or can stick all those tiny pieces, those broken glasses together. So this is the main reason we're doing this. Now we're gonna be using the UV light. It's only 15 seconds, it's enough. So this is the touch panel we're gonna be using. So from Master B. So if you guys need materials, this is touch panel for iPhone 13. Comes with Olga. Okay, now it's ready. The temperature, let's check the temperature. The temperature normally is 95, but I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. 95, sometimes 95, sometimes 99 or like 100. And we're also gonna be using those this metal sheet, I think. So this is, and also the pliers and alcohol for this process. And also our cutting wire is 0.035. So this is the diameter of the cutting wire. So just to let you guys, so this is all the details I want to let you guys to know. And also sometimes we use preheating. We use this one. So this is the hot plates. So we use this for like a preheating, because sometimes we have like a mass production. You have big quantity, so you can use a hot plate like for preheating. Then you can move from the hot plate to the separator, so you can start working directly. You don't have to wait. Okay, now I just want to find a good angle for you guys. No problem, go ahead. Because we have already softened the glue on the frame. So now it's very easy. You cut in the middle, then you use alcohol, then you split, you push out on the, you push out. It's like you can see the angle. You just like push out, then push up. Okay, this process, it looks very easy, but sometimes when you do this, I hope it's easy for you as well. Okay, now I want to give you guys like a close-up to see how he enters the cutting wire. The cutting wire I just want to repeat, is 0.035. So this is the diameter. So he is using. If you want to follow, you can follow. So now let's remove the glue on the screen. I'm trying to give you guys the best angle. Let you guys see clearly how he is doing the job. Ignore his nails because sometimes when they are working, they need, you know, that the nail is also a tool for them. So this is the touch panel for iPhone 13. So a lot of people call this like unlocked version. So this is like a touch panel you install above the screen. So you put on the screen. And you have to, this is the flex, and you have to wear it. Use the soldering iron to solder it. So this is the touch panel for iPhone 13. This product comes with the Olga applied. So you don't have to apply Olga by yourself, you just laminate it. Now before the lamination, we're gonna do a final cleaning process. So before we put into the laminator. As I always explain to you guys, you are using a wiper, you are cleaning the screen, you start from one direction to another direction, from one side to another side. So you can watch how he moves his finger. Now we're gonna be using the alignment mode to do the alignment. And you check it one more time, once again. Make sure there is no dust on it. So we're doing this inside of the dust-free room. So if you have the dust-free room, please, it's better always to use the dust-free room. If you don't have it, it's better to get one. So you put the screen on the lamination mode and put inside. Now start. This is the setting. Temperature 30. Vacuum time 30 seconds as well. The pressure is 0.2 and holding time 15 seconds. There are some small bubbles on the screen, so we're gonna put into the bubble remover now. So we'll put into the bubble remover for 5 minutes, and after that we need to wear the flex. Okay, now bubble remover, let's go. Okay, now we're gonna put into the bubble remover for 5 minutes. Okay, now let's wait for 5 minutes and come back to see the result. Okay, now it's been 5 minutes. Let's take out the screen to check how the screen is. Beautiful. No bubbles at all. Okay, now we're gonna go to next step because this one is with a touch panel. So we're gonna use the soldering iron to fix this. Okay, let's go to next step. The temperature is 300.